In this video I will show you how we can get iron nails in ICARUS. So it's really easy, and the first step, you need to mine some iron ores, and then you want to smelt them in stone furnace. So from 2 iron ores you will get 1 iron ingot. Then you want to take those ingots and you want to craft anvil bench. You can craft this in crafting bench, so you need tier 2 in tech tree, and then here in crafting bench you can find it here. It costs 40 iron ingots, 20 wood and 10 stones, so it's really easy to craft. And once you have it, you just want to press F to interact with it, and then from here you can craft from 1 iron ingot, you can craft 10 iron nails. So I'm gonna craft, let's say, 100 nails, then click craft, and as you can see, this is how you can craft iron nails. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.